Let's talk about auto-open schedules. This is one of the easiest yet most impactful things you can program in your PDK system. Auto-open schedules are there to make sure your building unlocks at a certain time and locks back up at a certain time. For example, public hours. To create an auto-open schedule, click on the auto-open icon on the customer dashboard. Hit the yellow button labeled Add Auto Open, and a handy interface will slide out on the right side of your screen. Go ahead and give your auto-open schedule a name, like Open for Business. Next, you need to select which devices you want the schedule to apply to. Click the Edit Devices button, select your devices, and hit Save. Next, let's move on to setting up the schedule. From the Schedule drop-down menu, select Reoccurring. Now, input the time you want the doors to unlock and the time you want them to lock back up again. Then choose the days of the week you want this rule to be active on. Finally, you can set the action to deny or allow. The allow action is used when you want to allow your doors to open at a certain time. Deny is typically used for programming holiday schedules or any other times that you don't want your doors to open up. But we'll talk more about this in depth in our video all about how to program a holiday closure. For this Open for Business schedule, we want to set the action to allow. To finish up, click Add on the bottom right of your screen, and then you're all done. Now you have officially created a schedule that will automatically and reliably unlock and lock your doors with ease. ProdataKey is easy to use anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Watch the next video in this series for more how-to instructions.